People on YouTube are talking about inflation's over. Don't worry about it. Prices are now going to come down. Prices are going to come down. Inflation is over. That makes me laugh. I need a good laugh this morning. Prices are going to come down, okay? Do you think anybody, any corporation is going to lower the price of their products or services? All right, this is my challenge. Think back through your entire lifetime where prices have come down. Only place prices have ever come down and then went back up is on gasoline at the pump. Your entire lifetime, you have never seen prices come down. Oh, you've seen things go on sale, but not general prices come down. So if inflation's over, I can guarantee you prices are not going to come down.